It is not available on Google or not available on a normal mode on a printed format, right?
It's very difficult to predict the future. Of course, we have fields like predictive analytics, which is dealing with this right now very efficiently.
Most of the students' concern was that my campus is low.
क्रिप्टो आप क्रिप्टो करते हैं आप थोड़ा कोई लिंक्डइन और कोई यूज करता है क्या लिंक्डइन? अरे वाह, इतने सारे लोग.
LinkedIn, and then now in a fancy word that so better use this further to search for a job, isn't it? So that how effectively you are using it matters.
Functional में ज़्यादा ही managing students. Even this
Switzerland-based company, based in 1964, founded in 1964. वो एक टर्किश आर्मी को सेलेक्ट करती है आउट ऑफ 5 फ्रॉम द एयरलाइन इंडस्ट्री और उसको सजेस्ट करती है एक इंडियन कंपनी के लिए कि आप इनको सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए और बाकी 4 को छोड़ दीजिए.
इनका सवाल है दैट अगर टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन हो रही है, जो इंजीनियर है वो कोप अप कर लेंगे, जो नॉन इंजीनियर है वो कोप अप नहीं कर पाएंगे.
Lower in this cadre when it comes to personal round interviews. So this must not be a thing because of
transform yourself. So you need to have your people management skills, and for that, this is the only program which opens up your thinking, your ability to manage people.
So analytics is something which is required in the industry.
In English, but at the end of the day, you are expected to be an effective communicator and not only an English communicator.
This shows that it's more beyond just classroom learning. You also get to experience other things that you would when you go out of the university.